Queen, 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 queen. Queen. No queen on that frame. Yeah, there ain't gonna be nothing on this frame. Don't see no queen. No queen. Alright. Another empty shell. You can see all the capped queen cells. Not a good show. Not a very good sign at all. I don't have enough boxes to put all these in. Go, go, go. Let's see if we can see the queen in here. The queen here. A couple more cells developing. And I do not see a queen on this side. I do see larvae. But no queen. And some more queen cells being made right here at the top. But no queen. I'm down to my last frame. There was a queen in here about a few weeks ago, but I don't know what happened to her. No queen. Come on, move it. Put your butts over there. Come on. Let's see, I move this one. Remember, right? Third. This is a 9 frame. I took out one of the frames. Once they start making more, then I will put an extra frame in. As you can tell, I have a lot of little ants fighting those. I'll be putting different frames on the bottom. Yeah, caught in there. This is my one nuke. 10 frame box. That is my 10 frame. I put a queen excluder right here, so that because all the honey's up in here. I just put this on, so I'm hoping they'll put some more honey up here and keep the queen in here. Once they start pushing honey in here, I'll remove this queen excluder and let them go up in here. And then, see if I can move this over. This is my swarm catcher, which actually has bees in it. I've blocked them off. I took some out of the box over there along with some queen cat eggs, capped queens, and put 2 of them in here. Put an air vent right here, little slider door. I just put them in here the other day, and I gave them some sugar water. So tomorrow I'll be releasing them and letting them come out, and hopefully they'll create a queen, and I can get another box and put them in a bigger box. But I use this one just for swarm catching. I built, which so far I have not been able to catch a swarm. Just move bees. It makes a perfect little breeding box for me. I'm going to be taking this hive tonight, possibly, or tomorrow night, and moving it right here so that I can redo this stand and get rid of the ants. And then I'll be taking the box in the back, the big box, and redoing that one too. And then getting ready to do a complete cleanup of the whole area, all the weeds, and get rid of everything. So I can hopefully but this is my little bee yard. If you saw any problems that I might have been doing, please let me know in the comments below. I'm new to this. This is my first 2 hives, so any comments would help and be greatly appreciated. So for now, thank you and goodbye.